Friend, today I will show you the mega city of Dhaka, the capital of Bangladesh, the administrative, the cultural and the economical capital of Bangladesh. This is Dhaka. This is Hafiz Hill, a lake in the heart of Dhaka. This is western side. We are standing in the Middle East. It is western. The peripheral region or the boundary is bounded by Turak and Dholeshwari river, western side. This is northern side, about 10 kilometer away, Turak river, then Gazipur City Corporation. This is middle eastern side, expanding area of Dhaka city. These are the lowland, the marshland, all are water body. You are looking that, you are seeing that. Now rainy season is beginning. Water is after 5 kilometer away, a small river named Bali. Then Shutolokka river. After 20 kilometer from here, Shitolokka is a middle largest river. This is southern side, about 10 kilometer away, Buriganga river, then Kalaniganj, a satellite city. Friend, Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh and also a largest city in Bangladesh, also one of the largest city in the world. Its area about 300 square kilometers and population is about 21 million. It's a mega city. This city is bounded four sides by four small and middle large river. Western Turak and Dholeshwari river, southern Buriganga river, eastern Bali and Shitolokka river, northern side Turak river. Sweet water source is very high, and drainage system, natural drainage system also better. But waterlogging and inundation is a common scene in Dhaka city by many reasons. It is in the heart of Bangladesh, middle region of Bangladesh. In this video, friend, I will show you the main features of Dhaka city. I will make separate videos on the basis of urban farming, commerce, rivers, slums, and many occupational people's livelihood. So let's go see the main features of Dhaka city. Sonali Bank Limited. one of no the biggest government-owned bank in Bangladesh headquarters. It called Shapla Chottor. Is the CBD of Dhaka city central business district. Here the headquarters of most of the banks, insurance and other financial institute. Here the head office of Bangladesh Bank. The headquarters of Bangladesh Bank. Friend, as today is fully rainy day, so and also holiday, so jam, the traffic jam is not here. Here, northern direction. After 1 kilometer, Kolnapur railway station, the biggest railway station in Bangladesh and also in Dhaka. Friend, we are developing very highly, but the rootless people are also in our country. How miserable. Friend, I am standing zero point of Dhaka city. Here the 0 point. Here written different cities distance from here. Back of the 0 point, the stadium, National Stadium, Bangabandhu Stadium, then CBD, Central Business District, Motizil. Here post office headquarters of Bangladesh. Here the Secretariat of People's Republic of Bangladesh. In the south, the Buriganga River, about 4 kilometers away. Let's go. We will go there. Buriganga River. As I said, Saint carrier. Another boat. Sadurghat, the biggest launch ghat in Bangladesh and also in Dhaka. Here Keranigঞ্জ, outside of Dhaka. Buriganga divided Dhaka and Keranigঞ্জ. The mouth of Buriganga, Dholeshwari, and the source of Buriganga also Dholeshwari. The 18 kilometers long this river. It's also a branch of Buriganga, a branch of Dholeshwari, and also a sub-river of Dholeshwari. It's Babu Bazar Bridge, connected Keranigঞ্জ and Dhaka. It's also Bangladesh-China Friendship Bridge 1 behind Sadurghat. river is blazing for Dhaka. That southern side, Buriganga, then Dhareshwari, then Podda, eastern side, Pali, Kopataktho, northern side, Turag, southern side, Turag and Dhareshwari. So drainage system is very natural drainage system is very blazing, but waterlogging is our common sin in Dhaka for different kind of man-made causes. Sodorghat began. Launches are standing. In night they will go. They will start for different southern part of Bangladesh. It's a big boat carrying sand. Bang in Buriganga river near Sodorghat. The river Buriganga, then Karanigans, and it is Awashan Manzil, Khaja Nazimuddin Palace, and it is built in 1870. Friend, here a private university named East West University. About 100 private universities in Bangladesh, most of in Dhaka, about 50. It's one of the largest private university in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Friend, here urban farming, dairy farming in Dhaka city. Cow. Here, cow also. Cow. কাকা আপনাদের এখানে গরু কতগুলো?
গরু তো 40-45টি।
ওই ছোট বড় দিয়ে?
হ্যাঁ।
About 45 cows here. দিদি গরু কি কি খাওয়ান?
খাওয়াই ভুট্টার ভুসি আর হইছে কি আপনার গমের ভুসি, ধানের কুড়া, খুদ, এডি লবণ,
কচুরি পানা
আর কচুরি পানা। হ্যাঁ এগুলি।
Coal, husk, and water hygienes, etc. are the feed of cattle. আচ্ছা দুধ কত করে বিক্রি করেন?
দুধ তারা 100 টাকা বেশি, 90 টাকা বেশি, 80 টাকা বেশি।
100 or 90 per liters milk is sold. Kuril Bisho Road, market flyover here. many loops of this flyover. Railway. Railway. What gauge, meter gauge included. It is Turak River dividing Dhaka and Gazipur. Gazipur is a separate city corporation. Beside Turak River on Gazipur side, Ijtema Mart, Ijtema field, where the Muslim gather, a largest gather every year. A flyover is being built for connecting Gazipur and Dhaka. We are standing also a old bridge, a road bridge named Abdullahpur Bridge. Here, here Tongi, the part of Gazipur City Corporation. Eastern from Abdullahpur Bridge, railway bridge. Small boats are river crossing. Abdullahpur Mode, Abdullahpur Conjunction flyover is being built. We are standing in Abdullahpur. Here the Dhaka, Uttara. Here Tongi, Abdullahpur Bridge, then Tongi, the Gazipur City Corporation part. Here Ashulia outside Dhaka, urban things. Friend, it's Shahabad. Here Romna, Ibrahim Medical College, Button Hospital, National Museum, and also BSMMU, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujib Medical University and College. And this side, Dhaka University, now we are going there. Bangladesh Jatiyo Jadughar, Bangladesh National Museum. It's in Shahabad. And for Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujib Medical University. Friend, it Dhaka University, the Oxford to the east. It established 1921. It is the lighthouse of Bangladesh. Now lockdown, Varsity is closed from 1.5 years. So it is lockdown for COVID-19, but the university campus is full with the young boys and girls. TSC building and auditorium. Here many birds are flying. Here many birds are flying in the roof of building. In 1952, many of Bengali young led their lives in love of mother tongue, mother language Bangla. Is the monument of that Shohid Minar. For this, International Mother Language Day started from 2000. And here, Dhaka Medical College. Here, Science Faculty of Dhaka University. Dhaka Medical College Hospital, and also here Dhaka Nursing College. Here Curzon Hall of Dhaka University. Train comes soon.
It's not passenger train, it's a goods carrier train. We call it Malgari in Bangla. There are also two visitors.
Friend, it is Lalbagh Kella, Lalbagh Fort, the Mughal fort in Dhaka. It established or built up in 17th century. It is just bank of Buriganga River. Yes, it's Lalbagh Fort. In 17th century, it is built up by Mughal Emperor. Fort. It's old Dhaka. Old Dhaka. And it is old Dhaka. Chowk Bazaar Tower. Rickshaw. Different kind of. Old Dhaka. Let's
talk with the shopkeeper, great shopkeeper of old Dhaka. আচ্ছা ভাই, আপনারা কতদিনের ব্যবসা করছেন?
এই 20-30 বছর।
20-30 বছর। আর আপনার আব্বা বাপ দাদা এনারাও কি ব্যবসার সঙ্গে জড়িত ছিলেন?
জি,
ব্যবসা কেমন চলছে?
আছে আলহামদুলিল্লাহ ভালোই।
Very old building it is.
এটাই হলো মনে করেন যে রড।
The beam is wooden beam.
And small way. It is Choto Katra, small Katra. That means small gate. The gate beam is wooden beam. চাচা, আপনি কি পুরান ঢাকার স্থায়ী বাসিন্দা?
হ্যাঁ, আমি এখানকারই আছি।
হি ইজ পার্মানেন্ট রেসিডেন্ট হেয়ার। আচ্ছা চাচা, এই পুরান ঢাকার কি কি খাদ্য পণ্য এগুলো বিখ্যাত বলেন তো?
এখানে বিক্রি হয় সেমাই, ওই চিপ আর তালমিছরি, চিরা, এটি
ডিফারেন্ট কাইন্ড অফ ফুড লাইক চিরা, মোংলাই এক্সেট্রা। তো ঠিক আছে স্যার, ধন্যবাদ। Friend, as in Dhaka, many slum and construction work is going on rapidly, so bamboo business is a very high here. Many bamboo shops at different parts in Dhaka. Here many trucks are standing. Many trucks and standing. As it is a peripheral region of Dhaka city. Here cement loading into truck from water transport. It's a port. It's a river port, a small river port. It's a urban age, expanding area. Friend, it is Gaptoli Bridge on Turagibhag. Local transportation. As lockdown, to entering and outgoing Dhaka is forbidden. So local transport is only. And in Dhaka, the main Dhaka, south. It's one of the big entrance way to Dhaka from northern part and some southern part of Bangladesh. And it is Turag River. And after river, Amin Bazar. Then Sabar, satellite city. Dhaka. Bus buses and trucks are turning, and some are moving as lockdown is going on due to COVID-19. Friend, it's middle class residential area. It's Ling Road, Gulshan and Badda Ling Road. Here, South Gulshan, the aristocrat residential area. It's Ling Road. It's Badda Ling Road. Here, Badda, main Badda, then expanding area. We are entering a residential area, a middle class residential area. কলা কত করে হালি? এই যে এটা 25 টাকা হালি, 2 পিস 25 টাকা। এর কি পাওয়া যায়? কি পাওয়া যায়? কি বিক্রি করো?
এই তো বিভিন্ন আইটেম স্টেশন
ভ্যারাইটি আইটেম। আর এখানে বিকাশ, তারপরে নগদ, বিকাশ অ্যান্ড নগদ, মোবাইল ব্যাংকিং অলসো অ্যাভেলেবল হেয়ার। Here, snacks shop. Puri is making. Here, different kind of snacks. আচ্ছা ভাই, ওই আপনারা মানে সারাদিনে কত টাকার বেচা কিনা করেন?
এই 6-7 হাজার,
6 to 7,000 টাকা is sold per day. Here, a middle class residential area. Here, a variety shop. এই কি মাল আছে এখানে? এই কি মাল আছে এখানে?
না নাইক দেয় মুদি দোকানে কি মাল থাকবে এটা আপনি জানেন না?
All kind of varieties shop, daily need, onion, potato, cosmetics, chips, oil, biscuit, etc. Here, Khilkhet. This place name is normal train, it's a local train.
আরো চাবি বসান, আরো চাবি আছে, আরো চাবি আছে।
Also a train coming opposite side. It's a intercity train. Intercity train. Market, footpath market, egg, jackfruit. Elevated expressway under construction. Mangoes, fish, different kind of fish. Mango. ভাই লিচু কত করে?
সালাম আলাইকুম। 900 টাকা শো।
900 per 100 piece of লিচু। ভাই কি কি আম আছে এখানে?
আমাদের এখানে আছে ভাই হিমসাগর, ল্যাংড়া, কহিতুর।
ডিফারেন্ট কাইন্ড অফ ম্যাঙ্গোজ, নাম ন্যাংরা, হিমসাগর এক্সেট্রা। এই আমগুলো কোথায় থেকে আনেন আপনারা?
আমরা কারণ থেকে নিই।
They brings bought the market from Karon Bazar.
So friend, in Dhaka city, it is impossible to describe in a video this large city. It is just overview. Next time I made different video on waterlogging, on river, on garbage system, on different urban culture, urban farming, and urban rickshaw life, etc. So it stays in touch with my channel and nature and people of Bangladesh. And also subscribe my channel to get more videos